Whoa! What's up, you guys? I'm still here with the War Machines in the shop. We are going to be streaming live on Twitch, so definitely come check it out. We're going to be doing 1 to 2 live streams a week. They'll be on the schedule on our Twitch account, so check it out on our profile. We appreciate you, the support, and what we're going to do is anything that I'm building, I'm going to kind of walk you guys through it. We're going to show kind of like the assembly after all the parts have been fabricated here by myself and the team. Then you'll see some cool War Machines, some of the leading strength equipment that is gaining a lot of traction in the industry. Among that, interactive feed, we're going to allow people to ask questions and there'll be moderators. So while we're putting things together, you can ask about all terms of like entrepreneurship, things like that across the many industries. About to close on a large purchase of a property, commercial property in Vegas. And so a lot of cool insight there, things that I've done from product sales to development, getting things on shelf distribution, software, obviously service-based business, the trades, and many other forms and types of contracting and design. So welcome to ask questions, participate, come see some of the cool stuff and how we build it. Live on Twitch, so check out the schedule, go to our profile, and we appreciate your support. It all helps. See you there.